Okay, we're in Xi'an, China. We're just gonna walk down this main street over that direction. We're gonna start out in this little park on the corner. I think I've seen this in other Chinese cities too, where you have these parks. You can kind of hang out and just kind of be in the shade a little bit. But we're gonna walk starting from here, and we're gonna try to get to this Muslim food street. And but I think this bigger one will just go down the main street here. So stay tuned. Another little slice of Xi'an, China. Okay, so let's start here, and then we're going to meander like this direction. I do like how these got some bikes, some places to sit. A lot of people are out now. It's about an hour ago I hardly saw anybody, and now it's like people everywhere. So we're going to be going down one of these main streets here. I'll let you know the name of the street shortly. But we're going to walk down this one. Let's just walk it, and then we can get across real quick. And just so you can kind of see what a street looks like in Xi'an, China. Typical street. Actually, I'm kind of, if you look at a map, there's like 4 walls. And then inside the walls is the middle part of the city. And I don't know what it used to look like, but now it looks like this, which looks like a lot of China. A lot of Chinese cities have this kind of look. So I feel like I'm, need to find the special stuff of Xi'an. And then, if you can see a little bit to the right of me, there's a bike lane. Looks like you can also park in there, so some cars are in the bike lane as well, but I think there's a bike lane. Maybe I'm wrong. I thought I saw some bike lanes earlier, but I don't know, maybe those are not bike lanes. But you can see lots of people park their bikes here though, or their motorcycles. And this is kind of a main street here in Xi'an, and it doesn't look too different. I kind of feel like as I'm walking around, I kind of feel like I'm in a lot of other Chinese cities that I've been in. Reminds me a lot of Guangzhou, even walking in Beijing, you know, just kind of standard Chinese streets. But I do see more of this, like this kind of dress, like what she was just doing. I think there's some kind of traditional dress. And let's look over here. Looks like people are walking in what I thought was a bike path. Okay, so maybe that one is a bike path. There's somebody in a bike up there. Kind of confusing. Anyways, I think the Muslim quarter is going to be over this way a little bit. But anyways, this is a little taste of Xi'an. Check that out, that's pretty cool. Massive. Okay. So let me just see here. So I think we're going to be, I think we're possibly in, I don't know, I think we're coming into this area right here. So I think we're going to be coming into this right here. So I guess we're somewhere in this area. And I think this makes sense. So I think we're kind of in some of the this sort of walking street area now. And we're starting to see some interesting stuff already. Looks like pretty tasty already. Yeah, this is like walking street area. Get all kinds of stuff in here. Yeah, this looks like exactly what we're looking at. So this would be a lot more unique than the other streets seem kind of like typical, but this I think is what I was looking for. We're gonna come to Xi'an to go check out. So I think what I'll do is I'll just kind of meander into it a little bit, and then we'll conclude it. It looks like we got a lot of stuff to explore in this area. It's pretty cool. Yeah, I've got a lot to explore today. There's a YouTuber. Okay, so anyways, we came across what I was looking for. Muslim leisure zone. And we'll look for kind of a so we basically did a typical street over that direction, and now we're right in the middle of everything that we want to be in, which is all of this. So I'm going to create a new video. So that's the start of the Xi'an ones.